Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to use Google Spreadsheet on mobile phone. Yes, using Google Spreadsheet we can create multi-level of a data calculation for school or college projects. In this video I would like to share how to use Google Spreadsheet on mobile phone. Let's see how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon so that you can get the useful videos and the notification. Yes, from my laptop or desktop, I have opened a Gmail account, which Gmail account provided free version for the Google Sheets. Yes, here I will find a Google applications in the right hand side corner. Click 9 dots. You will find a different kind of Google free application they have provided. So just to click the Google Sheets, the Google Sheet is calculating the methods. So there are lot of options will be available in the Google Sheet. So Google Sheet is providing annual budget, monthly budget and 2021 calendar templates. We can use the template, otherwise you can use a blank documents to create your own database. For example, I have created the students attendance list through my Google Sheet. I can share the information with my students and the students can able to get their digital e-signature as you see. So I can type their name and registration number, automatically they can able to give their signature. So using the sharing option, I can able to share all the information through my students. So this is an easy step. Using the laptop or desktop, you can use Google Sheet as a document purposes. So how to use a Google Sheet using the mobile phone? Same thing I can show you in a demonstration way. Yes, from my mobile, just go to Play Store and install the application called Sheet. So I have went to the Play Store and go to Sheet. So Google Sheet is provided like Sheets. While you search Sheets, automatically Google Sheets will be open here. Just to click install, automatically your application will be installed in your mobile phone. Yes, my Google Sheet application installed my mobile phone. I just click open, automatically the sheet will be open here. Just skip the steps and just select your Google account. So how many accounts open in your mobile phone, it will be show like this. Just hit the button on the top and you will find an option called accounts. While you select your own account, automatically whatever I seen in the desktop, whatever I showed in the desktop, automatically it will be displayed in my mobile also. So my documents will be shared with my mobile phone as well as my laptop everywhere. By the Excel, if you save, means it will be stored only the desktop, but the sheet will help you to share your documents in anywhere. So here I would like to create a new sheet and I would like to show you how to use. Just hit the plus button, automatically your sheet will be created like this. Similarly, whatever you Excel used, same thing. The sheet option will be in the downside as my mouse is running over here. So if you want to create more sheet, just hit the plus button. So I can click a plus button, automatically the sheet will be created. If I would like to change the sheet name, I can just double click and I can rename the sheet. For example, so marks. So I can type marks, means the sheet name will be changed over here. Just to double click on that, automatically duplicate sheet, delete or rename, everything will come. Just click rename and give attendance. So automatically my details will be stored here. Yes, I have collected the marks. I can zoom in and I can show you so how to create. For example, I would like to create a name. Just click the button, so automatically the number and name, everything will be created automatically. It will be displayed over here. Here I have created the students marks sheet. So the number, the name and mark 1 and mark it will be available. I would like to total this. I just select both option and go to total. Here will be the sum, average and maximum. It will be shown like this. So the sum and average, and it's easy to access. While you click sum, automatically the sum option will be open here. So you can able to use this option. You can click and create your documents. For example, I have selected both area. So just to click sum, automatically my documents will be summed over here. Yeah, so sum of this and sum of this. Automatically my average will be open here, so easy to access all the documents, so it will be easy for you. I have selected this and I can give fill colors, and I can give the font colors, everything, whatever things, the custom colors I can give. So here I will have the center or alignment and borders. If I want to give the borders, I can give the borders. So this is an easy step. Using this option I can able to create a document using the mobile phone itself. Yes, now I would like to show you how to share these documents. For example, this option, the top one, the human icon plus button will be there. Just I click the button, automatically with whom you want to share this document. For example, I would like to share with my friend. I just select my friend, whether he wants to edit, he wants to view, he wants to comment. I just select edit option, while he can able to edit the sheet. For example, I just open my email. Yes, John Martin Joseph, I've shared the sheet. I just click open there, so automatically my sharing, the sheet will be shared with me, everything will become here. So I can give, so I can add one more student's name and I can share the information. For example, I have added the student's name, as you see. So automatically this is a different user, so I would like to share and give my inputs. I can select this both cells and I can make a sum option and I can click OK. So while I am in a different user, I just open the sheet option. So I have created the untitled spreadsheet. Automatically the mark will be updated to me. So who I shared, they will give the inputs. Automatically I can able to get the informations. So this is an easy step. Using the sheet option, you can create a multi-level of data documentation and keep with your phone documentation. So the sheet, Google Sheet, will help you to create a different kind of options to make your data validate easily. So using your school or college projects, use the sheet option. You can get more and more experience in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. Have a great and good day.